Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today's date is 8th June. Today's video topic name is different types of clause in the SQL. In the SQL, there is different types of clause like where clause, group by clause, order by clause, having clause. So first is in a where clause. Where clause which is used to filter the record or filter the data. Where clause is contains the condition, means according to the condition we have to get the output. At the output of the where clause only display only that record which we have to fulfill the condition. Where clause is used with the select statement. The syntax of where clause is select column name from table name where condition. Example, select star from the customer where customer ID is equal to 30, means at the output display only that record which customer ID is in 30. Take another example, select star from employee where employee name is equal to Ram. In that output display the only that record which employee name has Ram. Second is a group by clause. Group by clause is also used with the select statement. Group by clause is used to arrange the identical data in the rows. Group by clause is used with the where clause. Group by clause is syntax of the group by clause is select column name from table name where condition and group by the condition. Group by the column name or order by column name. So let's see the example. Find the name of the customer. Find the name of the customer ID in each country. So query is like select count customer ID, comma country from customer where uh, where uh, where customer ID is greater than 5 and the group by country, means we have to get the record of each country and that in each country employee's name or employee ID, means we have to group the each country like India, America. In each country wise we have to get the group. uh, Another example is select minimum salary, comma employee name from employee where uh, group by salary, means find the minimum salary in the group by salary or the group by designation, means by the designation we have to get the at the particular designation minimum salary. Next is a having clause. Having clause is same as the where clause, but in the aggregate function we cannot use the where clause. So what is meant by aggregate function? We have to also use the group by clause with the aggregate function. So in the SQL there is a 5 aggregate function: mean, max, sum, average and count. So first is a mean function. Mean function which is used to find out the minimum record in the table. For example, if you want to find out the minimum salary from the employee table, then query is like select mean in a parenthesis salary from employee. So we get the minimum salary from the employee table. Next is a max. Max is which is used to get the maximum particular record from the table, like select max in a parenthesis salary from the employee. Next is the sum. If you want to get the sum of the salary from the employee table, then query is like select sum in a bracket salary from employee. So we have to get the all the in the salaries we have to get the sum of the salary. Fourth is an average. Average function which is used to get the average from the particular column or table. For example, select average salary from the employee. And last one is a count. Count which is return the number of records in the column or table. If you want to get the count of the employee in the employee table, So queries like select count in a bracket employee ID from employee. So we have to get the total number of employee in the employee table. So syntax of the having clause: select column name from table name, having or group by column, and having condition. So example is like select customer ID comma country from customer, group by country, and having customer ID is greater than 5. Means this query is written only that record which each country contains more than 5 employees or more than 5 customer in each country. So having clause is same as where clause, but we cannot use the where clause in the aggregate function. That's why we have to use the having clause in the SQL with the aggregate function. And the last one is an order by clause. Order by clause which is used to sort the record in ascending or descending order. So first is an ASC which is used to sort the record in the ascending format, and DESC which are used to sort the record in the descending order. By default, the order by clause contains the ascending order. For example, select star from employee where name is equal to Ram and order by first name, means it get the record of the employees which first name first name in the ascending order, because by default it is an ascending. But if you want to get the descending order, then select star from employee where first name is equal to Ram and order by descending. So we have to get the descending order. Means order by clause is generally used for the sorting purpose.